To enable high-res shots and capture photos up to 80 megapixels, press the red record button next to your shutter button. This will quickly enable the high-res shot function, and you can see the icon indicating that in your screen. To change the high-res shot mode, press and hold the record button down and use the rear dial to change the mode to tripod or handheld. In handheld mode, the high-res shot is limited to 50 megapixels, while in tripod mode you can bump it up to 80 megapixels. When using handheld mode, try to keep the camera as steady as possible during the shot. Once you've selected the desired settings, frame your shot and press the shutter button to start the high-res shot sequence. If you want to tweak high-res shot settings even further, you can find more settings in the menu through the second tab and first page under high-res shot. Here you can change the resolution or waiting time after you have pressed the shutter. The camera will take multiple shots with slight adjustments to the sensor position and then combine them into a single ultra-high resolution image.